just got this new bit from IDC Woodcraft. Of course, you always get the M&Ms. And this is an inserted flattening bit. You get it out here. Take a look at it. It has a replaceable inserts in it. And I'm going to put this thing to use and see how it does. This is the bit that I normally use to flatten barrel heads. But I tell you what, this new one that I got from IDC Woodcraft is something else. This finish is just smooth as it can be. I've never gotten a finish like this with my other tools. And I was taking about 100,000ths of an inch pass off of this, and I can't get over how well it did. So I highly recommend this bit for flattening. Hope you enjoy this.